79-year-old Clarendon man found dead with multiple gunshot wounds. Man involved in domestic dispute killed by licensed firearm holder. St. Elizabeth farmer accused of buggering 4-year-old relative. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 79-year-old man was gunned down inside his home in Yorktown, Clarendon on Wednesday. He has been identified as Parnell Scott, a retiree of York Circle in Yorktown. It is reported that early Wednesday morning, residents heard several loud explosions and summoned the police. The police made several checks in the area, however, the scene was not located. About 7:30 a.m., residents discovered the elderly man's body in his house and summoned the police. The Elliston Road police are probing the fatal shooting of a man by a licensed firearm holder who reportedly intervened during a domestic dispute. The incident occurred at a business establishment along Windward Road in Kingston. It is reported that about 6:35 p.m., Williams and his girlfriend had an argument which became physical. It is alleged that he pulled a ratchet knife and attempted to inflict wounds to the woman. It was at this moment that the licensed firearm holder, who was at the establishment, opened fire, hitting Williams several times. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. Elizabeth police have arrested and charged a 26-year-old farmer for alleged buggery of a 4-year-old relative. The offense was reportedly committed on July 22nd. The police stated that they have ensured that appropriate measures are in place to support the victim. The well-being of the affected child remains a top priority as counseling has been arranged to provide support and assistance during this difficult time, stated Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto. He also stated that the community safety and security officers have also extended their services to offer additional support to the affected community. The perpetrator is scheduled to make a court appearance at the Santa Cruz Parish Court.